Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is MD168. Today we are checking out from our hotel here at Excalibur and we are heading somewhere and let's check it out guys. And some of you already seen this video but it's gonna be nice. So here we are. We are going to the Hoover Dam. O ayan, malapit na tayo but first we have to stop over here at the overlooking view for the Lake Mead. But right now guys, I know a lot of you've seen some of the videos about the Hoover Dam or the Lake Mead. But I haven't had one of a content yet, so ayan, gumawa po ako while nagbisita ang aking tiyahin sa amin and then we drove them around. So ayan, we are looking to park and let's go guys.
There? We're a little bit more.
Ayan.
Ay, kanina pula.
Kanara po teklek.
Puti ra.
Picture naman na.
I'm not sure if I did. Nakuha, Jen? Okay. You have a picture?
We are here. Dali, with Mike.
Halo por aquí.
Ay, kinahanglan ako na siguro imong
Okay.
kay arang ang naong ba ana okay na magkita ko asa ka Jen kita ka okay
Judging ka na
nari ana kita ang ban now look here
Okay.
ako mo kuan pindot kila na
recording.
recording recording so let's go tugnaw. Lake Mead Reservoir is a reservoir formed by the Hoover Dam on the Colorado River in the southwestern United States. It is located in the states of Nevada and Arizona, east of Las Vegas. It is the largest reservoir in the United States in terms of water capacity. Lake Mead provides water in the states of Arizona, California, and Nevada, as well as some of Mexico. Wow, it's a big source of water talaga ang Lake Mead na yan. So, there's a lot of history to learn about it and let's check it out through Google or let's Google it guys and in the Wikipedia to know more about the details. At least we know something about it and it's a good information. It's a very nice place. A little road trip going to the Hoover Dam is always beautiful. You can see the rock formation, and the road is so nice. It's so relaxing. So guys, I just want you to enjoy the rest of our ride all the way to the Hoover Dam. Okay, and thank you for riding with us. Here we are at the Hoover Dam, and we are getting closer to the checkpoint. And make sure you don't have any firearms, or else you can't go inside. The first time we came here, Mike has one, so we were not able to go inside. So be mindful lang talaga, you're not allowed to bring firearms. So this is our third time. The first time we were not able to, the second time with our friends, and this is the third time with my tiyahin. So it is very interesting. There's a lot of story about the Hoover Dam and how it made, and where the get the water source. So there's more to learn about it, and let's search it together. But for now, let's just enjoy the joyride going to the Hoover Dam, okay? How deep is the water? Nay blue manini adto among pagkuan. The water was blue. Very low jud siya. Ha?
Ito ano dito, kuan siya.
Katong kami nagkuan mi ato blue nindot ang reflection ato nga time. Blue water. Na na na. Diri oh. Ding. We're here again. Honey, remember the reflection of the water before was blue. Ay. Tugang duha ka tiya. Damn good. Smile. Don't like it.
Let me see. Let me try some. I think it's in there.
Hoy. How are you covering us? Like that.
It's terrible, but it'll be a good picture with that sun in your eyes.
That's good.
You can see the lake behind you.
Yep. Yep.
Thank you. Good luck.
Let's find a spot. Hi.
I can see some fish down there. You see the big shadow?
Yes.
Just on the side of the shadow, if you look down, it's a little white.
Oh, white one. Ah, there's a fish.
Swimming around. You see it?
Oh, that's so nice.
May tao. Kana. Kana. Han, dali dong. Dong. Tabunin na.
Kana. Isa ka pa. There. Kana.
I'll screenshot. Ayan, we did a lot of good memories here at the Hoover Dam. And we took a lot of pictures and pasensya po at Hindi talaga pwedeng walang pusing time. So now we are heading out, and thank you guys for watching. See you again on my next vlog, and there will be more. So I hope you like my video, and that's it for now. Thank you very much for watching.